Hello again, welcome back to my UX snack series. Today is going to be some really quick tips on listening. And to talk to you about listening, I am going to talk about myself, which I realize is ironic. But for as long as I can remember, I've had an inner monologue running through my head, much like a lot of people that I know. It's been there during meetings, during job interviews, research projects, and most recently I've been taking Spanish lessons, so it has been in Spanish. Now, while I really like my inner monologue, I think she has a lot of funny things to say, I recognized this last year that it has been a huge blocker for me, and I honestly thought that I was a really good listener. Since listening is at the core of UX design, being an exceptional listener will lead to exceptional work. I mean, listening is key in user interviews as well as working alongside product and engineering teams alike. So, to help you become a better listener, I am going to share with you my top 3 tips that I just learned this last year. Number 1, it's not about you. Do your hardest to take your ego out of it, and don't worry how you're going to sound or how articulate your response is going to sound. Focus on who you're listening to and exactly what they are saying. It's about them, not you. Number 2, don't be afraid to be awkward. Be cool with longer than normal pauses. What that means is that you're really listening and you're taking the time to digest and then formulate what your response is going to be. And most likely, you're only being awkward to yourself. Number 3, go off script. While yes, it's important to have an outline of what you're going to ask in user interviews or the feedback that you want from other teams, if you're really listening, it will likely lead to unscripted questions and conversations. And that is really where the fun and the learning is going to happen. So as always, thank you for listening, especially to my tips on listening. Be sure to stay tuned for more UX snacks. Next, we're going to talk about competitors. Bye.